quite right. Hang on. Actually, I think I'm doing it slightly backwards.
You want it?
Do I?
Yeah. Somebody's singing. How do I? Look who's coming to see
Oh my!
You like doggies?
That's a big puppy.
Want the little Bodie to come up?
Hey, put my camera down. Well, I didn't tie that right. He just got presents from a lady that we don't know, and his sister was videoing for her.
Oh,
It's fine. No.
Okay. Hey, Marty. Come on, hi, this is Bodie.
Isn't he pretty?
I want to have both albums done before Andrew gets here, but I doubt that's going to happen. It takes too long.
A picture of you and Bodie together?
Be lucky if I have one done.
Bodie's dead.